Hello students, how are you all? Myself Ankita Best, and today we are going to study our new chapter of class 5th of subject English. So student, let's start reading our chapter number 12, dressing up for space. As you know that in earlier video we have discussed about the celestial bodies. Today we will read our chapter. So student, let's start reading our chapter. First, outer space has very harsh conditions. Let's find out what astronauts wear to keep themselves safe in outer space. So, student, let's start reading. Space is no doubt a difficult place to travel to and even more difficult to live in. First, there is no air in space, then it is very cold unless the sun is shining directly at you, and since there is no air to protect you, the rays of the sun can burn you. So students, in outer space it is very difficult to survive because there is no air. It's very cold unless the sun shining directly at you, and because there is no atmospheric air around you, so the sun rays can burn you also. So it is very difficult to survive in outer space. So what we have to do? To survive in space, a special spacesuit is needed to protect your body from the effects of extreme heat and cold, and to provide you with air so that you can breathe. Spacesuits are full of air to provide the pressure that your body is used to on Earth, so they look bloated. Spacesuits also protect you from space dust, which travel faster than a bullet. So, students, to protect ourselves in the space, what we need a special kind of suit called spacesuit, and it is bloated because it is full of liquid or gases, and it's larger than normal. So students, to survive in the space we need a special suit called spacesuit. Spacesuit provide you air to breathe, and it also maintain the pressure of atmosphere the body used to on Earth, because in outer space there is no gravity, so it is very difficult to maintain your body pressure. Spacesuit not only provide you air and atmospheric pressure or water, it also protect you from the space dust, which is travel faster than a bullet. So students, because of these reasons we need a spacesuit. So student, now let's move to our next paragraph. The special gold line visor protect your eyes from bright sunlight. A special suit is a complete astronaut protection unit, a very intricate and well-designed machine. It has heating and cooling system and arrangements for air and water to drink on the go. It even allows the astronaut to relieve himself while in a suit. So students, to protect your eyes, there is a helmet which has a golden visor. It is visor. Visor means a pair of transparent movable sheet attached to a helmet to protect the eyes or face from the sunlight. So student, now let's move to our next paragraph, which is the invention of spacesuits. Spacesuits were invented around the 1930s. As one goes higher up in the atmosphere, the air becomes thinner and pilot needs air to breathe. In the beginning, the spacesuits were somewhat clumsy as they were quite stiff, bulky, and difficult to move around in. Students, in earlier days, the spacesuits were very bulky and it is very stiff, and it is very difficult to move around inside it. The spacesuits were invented around 1930s and it is very clumsy also. So students, let's move to our next paragraph. The earliest astronauts stayed inside their spacecraft, but scientists soon realized that the astronaut would also be working in space, and so they started working on better spacesuit for these missions. The first spacesuit was silver in color because scientists at the time felt that this would reflect the sun rays, had pipes in them that supplied air and water to keep the astronaut cool. So students, as the time goes by in the sector of spacesuits, new inventions take place and the spacesuits become more practical in the purpose of wearing working in space. First spacesuit was silver in color because scientists thought that this will reflect the sun rays. So it has pipes to breathe the air and keep the astronaut cool. It has water supply also. So now students, let's move to our next paragraph, which is newer spacesuits for EVA. So soon space mission required extravehicular activities called EVA on the part of the astronauts. That means the astronaut had to move out of spacecraft to work on the moon and later to repair the space shuttles while they are in orbit around the Earth. So the spacesuits had to be changed. They were attached to the spacecraft by a thick tube that carried air and water and stopped them from floating away. Soon as the EVA activities increase of the astronaut, a new spacesuit required, which can walk freely and work freely around the spacecraft or space shuttle and also protect them in outer space. So, EVA activities increase and evolve the newer space suits. Now let's move to our next paragraph. During Apollo mission, the spacesuits were modified further. They were big backpacks with air, water, and batteries so that the astronaut could do a moonwalk for about 8 hours. The thick tubes were removed. The astronaut had more freedom to move around. So, student, as the EVA activities of the astronaut increases, the need of a practical and modified spacesuit is also increases. During the Apollo mission, the spacesuit were modified further. Now they don't have thick tubes. They can move freely. They have bigger batteries. They have bigger backpacks for air water supply and to maintain their atmospheric pressure. So now astronauts have more freedom than before to work around in the space. So students, now we have completed the half of the chapter. Rest of the chapter we will complete in next video. I hope you understand this chapter. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.